The Lamborghini Temerario already arrives with the kind of presence that makes you stop whatever you are doing and look again. But 1016 Industries decided that aggressive simply was not aggressive enough. Their approach to Lamborghini's hybrid supercar turns it into something even more dramatic, pushing the design further into the world of personalized performance without altering the original powertrain. What makes this version stand out is how every redesigned surface feels thoughtful and connected to the personality of the car. The wide-body approach adds broader fenders, sharper openings, deeper front elements, and an even more muscular stance that instantly makes the Temerario look wider and lower. The twin roof scoops, the newly shaped front splitter, and the track-focused rear wing create a silhouette that feels ready for a night drive through the mountains or a weekend at a race event. The diffuser becomes more expressive, and the rear bumper receives details that give the car an even more intense character. Combined with deep concave wheels finished in graphite gray, the car takes on a new personality that feels even more intentional than the original factory design. Even with all the visual upgrades, the hybrid system remains completely unchanged. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with 3 electric motors, still delivers the same intense power and sharp acceleration Lamborghini engineered from the beginning. What 1016 Industries truly adds is presence and individuality. Owners who choose this kit will not only be driving a Lamborghini, they will be driving one that looks like it belongs in another category entirely.